When it is la or une, the following noun or word should be feminine. Here is the example of feminine, la and une. Tomato, la tomate. Waterfall, la cascade. Table, la table. Bakery, la boulangerie. A bottle, une bouteille. A towel, une serviette. When it is le or un, the following noun should be masculine. Here are some examples of masculine, le or un. A toothpick, un cure-dent. A knife, un couteau. A glass, un verre. Work, le travail. Rice, le riz.